Hello Team TFT and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We'll go over the same usual pairs we went over the other day, see how the price action has played out. We've had a few little changes in the price action, which we'll need to go over with the news yesterday. So basically today we're pretty good. We've got a little bit of GBP news, a little bit of Euro news, and not much USD. So should be pretty good for trading today, based on what we can see here with the economic calendar. So if we look here, basically we're expecting a bit of a rejection out of this area and a possible lower low. We can see here we did get this minor rejection here. We did get this minor rejection here, which obviously then found support and continued on and broke up. So if you were in that, could have taken a couple of quick pips, but ultimately it wasn't meant to be. The market's come up, swept liquidity here, and ultimately come up into this origin block up in here, this last bullish candle there, and nipped up into there before now starting to. It got a strong rejection from there, and now it's starting to move lower. So basically today, what we're looking for now is we have obviously seen a liquidity grab through here, up into a point of interest, and now we've moved away quite aggressively. So what I would be looking for now is to move this over into this area here. And again, we can lower down that block there by just going down time frames and seeing if there's smaller candles there. So as you can see here, we've had rejection, big push up, and then ultimately a push away. So again, I probably wouldn't want to go much smaller than that. Let's have a look how big that is. 15 pips. So basically we are at the moment, what I would be looking for today's price action would be either come down and continue down now and set new lows, or we could see a possible pull up back up into this area before going short as well. So they're probably the two scenarios that I would be looking for. Obviously a pull out would be something like this is what I would be looking for today's price action. Maybe a bit of a bounce off this block here, possibly a bit of a bounce off that block there before going lower and finding support in the internal of the Asian range before going lower. So that's basically what I'd be looking for in around today's price action. Euro USD, obviously same sort of thing but reversed. So we see here we did come down into this area, we did see it move away, did obviously move away about 30 pips there. So, definitely money to be made on that rejection, but obviously then it did melt away and obviously sweep those lows there. So you can see here we have had a buildup of liquidity. So we've had here, and then we found a rejection. We ultimately come through and then we've pushed away. So we've actually swept the low and then come up and broken the high. So we did have a bearish break, but then it's come straight back up with a bullish break. So basically at the moment, again, we are looking around this area here for our entries. If we drop down to the 5 minute, I'm sure we can consolidate that down a bit. So you see here this really strong bearish candle here. Let's see how big that is. That's 22 pips. So again, if you want to make that a bit smaller, we just draw a fib on that, drop down to the 50%, and then we're looking at discounted price range there. So that's basically, again, we'll get rid of these, get rid of this. Our 4 hour is still bullish at the moment. So basically what we're looking for now is either looking for a retrace that comes down into here before going long, and that could happen over the next couple of days yet, or we possibly see a continuation by going out the top, back into the middle, and then going long again. So basically, if it comes out the top today, I'm looking for continuations out of the Asian range. If it comes lower, then we're possibly looking at coming down further into here, and it may just be a matter of waiting for tomorrow. We'll see when the price action comes back down around this area to look to go long. Again, there's no need. There is if you're taking the right trades, there's no need to trade every day. We're looking for really good positive trades to take, higher probability trades to take. Trying to take trades against the higher trends and that sort of stuff are not high probability. So we just got to just remember there is no need to trade every day. We only should be taking the trades that are a higher probability with the areas and that we're in and the trends that we're trading with. GU. So obviously GU was way out yesterday. We were expecting to go long from either this area or that lower area, and it pretty well just went straight through both. So again, this is one of the reasons why GU is not one of my favored pairs to trade, just because it can just do things like this and just bust through and sort of make its own way. As we see, Euro came back and flipped back bullish with yesterday's price action. GBP today has pretty much just tanked and then consolidated. So it is very bearish at the moment. And if we flip over to the 4 hour, I'm sure it's probably starting to look bearish as well. So I've made a double top here, something we need to take into consideration there. So if we look at this 4 hour trend, obviously it has been bullish. It was short-term bearish. Now it's come bullish, made a double top, and now it's flipped bearish again. So, you know, we see here with this pull down, pull back up, pull back down, we've swept out the lows. That is definitely a bearish scenario. So the 4 hours bearish now. So what we're waiting for is obviously the 15-minute to go bearish, which we are starting to see a little bit of that now. So we saw this 15-minute pull up. It's sort of consolidated for a bit, and now it's starting to make, you know, low, lower high, and then if it comes back out, makes a lower low, we could be looking for a probability of some further continuation out of the middle of the Asian range. So basically what we would like to see today out of GBP is a push out lower, come back up internal of the Asian range, find an internal structure point, whether it be here somewhere around the midline, and then obviously going lower. So that's probably the trade we were looking for off GU today. Anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on again, and I'll see you all on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.